Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to take a quick look at Pancake swap and how I'm getting on with my investing and the passive interest I'm earning on a daily basis with them. Now, I do believe that as traders, as investors, we need to try and diversify our portfolio as much as possible. So it's not just having money in cash, through trading, through stocks and shares, but also the new breed of cryptocurrencies are out there. A lot of people are polarized on crypto. They either love it or they hate it. Some people see the massive benefits. Some of the early adopters obviously made huge amounts of gains and significant profits. And a lot of people who got in at the top of the market lost a lot of money, but that's very similar to any asset you're investing in, whether it be stocks or bonds or anything out there. So I want to take a real breakdown of where I am on my cake purchases. Now, I've been tracking this year, so from January, what I actually purchased, and obviously as the prices are going down, working out the overall losses I've been making. But I hadn't really done that to the beginning of the actual project. So when I started buying last June, I knew I put in a significant amount of money, but I hadn't really detailed exactly how much. I went through my app, looked at all the purchases I'd made, and really tried to look at how much money I put in to see if I'm actually above or actually in a loss. So it worked out I actually bought £7,760 worth of cake tokens, and there's about 830 tokens in total throughout the actual whole process of buying the actual asset and keeping it with Pancake swap. Now, on the current value of the token, which is only £6.30, I'm actually down a massive amount. So the average buying price I bought was £9.30. Obviously, when I first started buying in was around about the £8-9. I bought some at £15 to £17. Then as throughout this year, some was significantly less. So my average buy-in price per token was £9.30. So where the current price is, I'm actually down 47%. But the benefit of Pancake swap is because they actually pay out a significant daily interest. I'm actually currently accumulating 1.6 tokens from them. So over the course of the entire duration, I've actually earned a significant number of tokens. So my current portfolio stands at 1,210 tokens. So I'm about 380 up. That's about a 45% increase just in the interest payments. So balancing it out, I'm actually overall about £150 down from when I started if we look at all the money I've put into Cake. But then thinking about it, a lot of the money I actually put in originally was profits I've made from other cryptocurrencies. I had a stable coins staked and I was getting a significant amount of interest per week, and that was used to buy tokens. I got cash rebates through my crypto.com purchases. That was used to buy Cake tokens. So actually look at the amount of capital I had to invest to start with, it was approximately £4,000. So if you look at that, I actually pocketed out £4,000 and now the assets are worth £7,700. So in reality, yes, I'm up overall, but if I actually also look at the tokens I'd staked, the CRO tokens, when I originally purchased those at 5p, I sold them I think about 15p to put this money into Cake, and now they're worth 30 to 35p. So I'm actually overall worse off. But this is always going to be a long-term project, really understanding how decentralized finance works. Are the actual returns real when you're looking at paying out 60% on the particular token? And yes, they are paying that out, which is obviously a big benefit. And if the token had stayed at the higher values, so let's say when it was valued at $25, which is the peak in the time that I've owned it, then yes, I'd be at a significant benefit from where I am now. And if you look at the overall trend in the crypto market, Bitcoin has obviously come off from the high of $67,000, $68,000, currently running close to $40,000. So again, we've seen significant sell-off on all of the crypto assets. And if that does continue and they recover over this year, then that's definitely a benefit for me holding a significant number of these tokens. So yeah, it's been an education. I've been honest with what I've bought, what I've actually earned from the interest, and definitely is not putting me off going into other pools with Pancake swap or looking at other types of platforms. So Beefy Finance is one I'm looking at the moment. I've had trials with VVS, but again, they've not really worked out for me. So I'm obviously looking at all the alternatives to try and get as much passive income from the cryptocurrencies I actually have holding in my wallets. So I hope that addresses some of the comments I've had on previous videos where people are saying, yes, you're down 50%, you've lost all of your money. And technically, yes, I am down 50% on the average purchase price of my token, but overall, I'm actually at break even. So definitely over the next few months, we'll start to see some more gains coming in, especially if the token price starts coming up. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you all again soon. Cheers.